In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share Miro boards. Miro is a fantastic tool for visual collaboration, helping teams to brainstorm, plan, and execute projects all in one place. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the Miro boards section. You can do this by heading to the Miro website and logging into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard where all your boards are located. Here you'll see the option to create a new board. Click on Create New. This is where the magic begins. When you click this, you'll see several options, but for this tutorial, we're going to select Board. Now, with your new board ready, it's time to get creative. Miro boards offer a wide range of tools and templates to organize your ideas. Whether it's inserting sticky notes for brainstorming, drawing areas for mind maps, or embedding documents and images, the options are plentiful. As you work, remember to utilize the highlighting tool to emphasize key ideas or important sections of your board. Once you've completed your board and you're satisfied with your design, it's time to share your creation with others. Look for the Share button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will open up options for you to share your board with your team or anyone else you choose. Before sharing, make sure to give your board a descriptive title that reflects the content or purpose of your board. This will make it easier for your collaborators to identify and engage with. After titling your board, click Save. Next, you have the option to invite others via email or through integrations with platforms like Slack, Google, or Microsoft. You can enter the email addresses of those you wish to invite directly, or choose to invite them through these other applications if that suits your workflow better. With the invitations ready, you can customize the link to your board. Miro allows you to edit the link to make sharing both easier and more secure. You can also control access permissions. Click on Board Access to determine who can view or edit the board. Here, you can set the access level to anyone with the link. Under this setting, you can specify user roles such as no access, where users cannot view the board unless invited explicitly, editor, allowing full editing capabilities, commenter, where users can only leave comments, and viewer, which grants view-only access. And that covers everything you need to know on how to create and share Miro boards effectively. By following these steps, you can ensure that your team stays connected and collaborative no matter where they are. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you on your journey to better collaboration.